In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money on Venmo as friends and family, step by step. Whether you're paying for your half of the pizza or just sending some cash as a gift, using Venmo can make the process straightforward and hassle-free. First things first, make sure you open up the Venmo app on your phone. Don't have it yet? No worries, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once you have the app, open it and ensure you're logged into your account. Now let's move on to the next step. Once the app is open, you'll need to find the Pay or Request button. This is usually marked by a pen and dollar icon at the bottom of your screen. Alternatively, you may find a Pay Request field right at the top of your feed, so keep an eye out for either option. When you tap that button, you'll move on to selecting who you want to send money to, and this is an important part. To choose the recipient, you can search for their username, phone number, or even email address. Just make sure you're selecting the correct person. It helps to double check their profile picture if one is available, just to be safe. Now it's time to enter the amount of money you want to send. Be precise and make sure you've entered the correct amount before proceeding, as you want to avoid any mistakes that could require you to initiate another transaction to correct. Next, you have the option to write a note. While this step is entirely optional, adding a note can help clarify the reason for the payment, such as for lunch or happy birthday, making it a personal touch that the recipient can appreciate. One crucial aspect to pay attention to is ensuring that you don't toggle the Turn On for Purchases option unless you're making a purchase from a vendor. Venmo might show a toggle at the bottom of the screen saying Turn On for Purchases. Leave this off if this transaction is intended for friends or family. If you were to toggle it on, Venmo would treat your payment like a business transaction, and the receiver might incur additional fees, which isn't ideal in that context. After you've ensured all the details are in order and the toggle remains off, confirm the payment details. Once everything looks good, you can confidently tap the Pay button to send the money, and there you have it. Your payment should now be on its way. By following these steps carefully, you make sure your Venmo transactions are smooth and error-free, creating a seamless experience for both you and your recipient. Thanks for following along, and be sure to check out more of our how-to videos for other useful tips.